morning, ma'am. I am your student nurse for today. I am Jaya Abdullah, and I am assessing here your respiratory system. May I know your name, ma'am?
I am Christian P. Balyanday.
Christian P. Bulanday. What is your age, ma'am?
I am 19 years old.
Okay. So today, ma'am, I am here assessing your respiratory system to know if there are any condition or there is no problem at all. So, pwede ba nakawin ang imong likod, ma'am? Any parts of your body?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So, overall result ni mo, ma'am, it's all normal. So, thank you for cooperation, ma'am, and have a good day, ma'am.